What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. So as you guys seen in my last video when I was doing my my wheel studs or whatever, my battery died, man. So it kept dying, you know what I mean? So I put on the card, you know, I used the camera to charge it real quick. Still died a little bit afterwards because I was using the ignition. But anyway, so I did end up going ahead and hollering at my guy Fat Cat. So, you know, he plugged me with that battery tender, man. So there's a 1.25 amp and then there's a 4 amp that's available on Amazon. So the 1.25 amp says it's for like motorcycles and ATVs. It'll charge those vehicles, but it would maintain a car. So if I put it on my car, it would maintain the charge. But the 4 amp, it will charge the car and maintain. So it does both, you know what I mean? So it would not overcharge your battery neither. So basically I went ahead and copped this, man. It was $69, so call it 70 bucks on Amazon. So you can go ahead and get this yourself if your car sits for quite a while, like mine's do also. Because this is not normal. My car sits all the time, you know what I mean? It normally sits sometime for a week at a time. But anyway, so what we're gonna do, there's a little fuse on there obviously too. Let's make sure there's a fuse in there. See. Yep, so there's a fuse in there already. What amp is that? 7.5. So it's not very big. So let's go ahead and get this hooked up right now and put the car to charge, and hopefully it stays. Alright, so to set this up, pretty much this is the actual battery tender. This is the side of it right here, and this is the cable side. So they just plug together like that. So you just find the holes. Can't do this with alright, so there you go. That's what it looks like plugged in together. Alright, so once you get that plugged in, just go ahead and connect your positive and negative and plug it into your wall outlet, man. So it's pretty simple setup. See my battery. I was using these cables right here yesterday. As you guys see, that's my airlift lines coming in. So I've got one hole in my trunk. But anyway, so let's go ahead and set the battery tender in the trunk itself. And then we're going to plug up negative and positive. Positive. Negative. Alright. So you guys seen that? Positive on that side, negative over here. And let's just go ahead and plug it to the wall. Damn. I need some more length. So let's just go ahead and just plug it into the wall. Alright, so that's plugged up to the wall. There goes the tender on the floor. I'm gonna get, you know what? I'm gonna get a chair and set the tender on. So I'm gonna grab a chair because my car is not on the floor right now. So there we go, right there. Alright, there we go. So as you guys see, let's get out the dark. So you see where it says charging? It's yellow. 12 volt. That's what we need. Alright. So once it gets fully charged, it'll light up green right there. So right now it's charging my battery, man. Just let it do its thing. Like you said, see it? There it goes right there, negative and positive. Simple. Very simple, man. Just plugs up right there. Plugs to the wall. And that's it, man. So it's a simple setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back on it a little bit. Let's I'm gonna go ahead and damn guys. My kids are so loud, sorry guys. But anyway, so let's go ahead and see how it charges, and I'm gonna finish this video out probably tomorrow, close this video out. Alright, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna do a review on it and you know, just see, because the battery's dead. It doesn't even want to start, it doesn't even want to crank. So let's just see what happens. I'm gonna leave it overnight, let it charge, and let's see what it does tomorrow morning if it starts right up. Stay tuned. Alright, so I was trying to start the car and it's not starting. Alright, so what it's telling me is put the key fob about the button to start. So I'm guessing because the battery was dead, it's not reading the key fob. So let's go ahead and put the key fob there. Whoa. Man, this battery's shot. Because it was saying charged, man. This is odd. So I'm thinking this battery's shot, man. Damn, guys. So like I'm gonna need a new battery. Alright guys, so I thought about not doing a video on this, man, but since I'm in the garage, man, my boy VA Boy was like, yo, why don't you do a video on that, man? But anyway, so I'm gonna add this onto the video I was already doing. Anyway, so today I'm doing the G2 paint system. Alright, you guys see that? It's a brake caliper paint. So I did decide to go back white. Just a crisp, bright ass white, man. I don't understand how bright. That thing is super bright, yo. So this is only one coat of it right here so far. And yeah, it's coming out good, man, so far. You know what I mean? So I'm not a big fan of their brush, but my wife did have a better brush in the house, so this is what I'm going to use now to finish it off with the with the final coat. So their brush was kind of trashy. You can see it right there. Their brush wasn't the best, but I got a better quality brush. You guys can see that, just to lay it down really, really, really smooth. And yeah, that's what I'm doing, man. So car's going to the shop tomorrow, FYI. Tomorrow. So the car's going to the shop tomorrow, man. So I'm happy, I'm ready to go. These parts are finally gonna get out my garage, man, and yo, gotta get these wheels back on. So I got a lot of stuff to do here tonight before, you know what I mean, I actually put everything back together. I still gotta get the Brembo stickers on, stuff like that. So, and to top it off, we got our live stream tonight, Free Smoke. Make sure you guys subscribe to that channel. The link is in the description below. So go ahead, make sure you guys are subscribing to that channel. Check us out, man. So you know what I mean. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and catch you guys. Alright guys, so yo, so where we at, man? You see the car's up on the lift, getting done. So see the wheels on, obviously already still. Bumpers on. Shit. I'm recording my phone FYI, man, so the quality ain't the best. It is what it is. No Daytona. Tail lights are out, bumpers on. Then my man got hand working on the quarter panel. So we got them templates over here, man. Y'all don't know about that, man. Got them templates. My guy made them templates. So he got templates for like the door itself, and then the one to the quarter panel. So he's working on those right now. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. Subscribe to the channel right now. I got my eyes on you, so down. Pick up on you, you have to watch out. I got my eyes on you, so down. Pick up on you, you have to. Always spinning my head. It don't even matter what you think you said. Yeah. So that was a quick update of the car, man. What's where it's at right now. As you guys see, you know what I mean. That's what it is right now. We're doing, they're working on it. So it should be a couple days. It doesn't take long at all. But stay tuned. I got another sneak peek for you guys. Just give me a minute. So I told you guys, man, I got another surprise, man. Y'all ready to see it? Wow, another one. How DJ Khaled saying? You heard that? Another one, man. Look at that. Wide body going on, bro. Full repaints, man. All the cars, man, getting repainted. Full paint jobs. So, you know what I'm saying? And the actual fender is flared out, so it's actually like pushed out. It's for the clearance, just in case. So I end up pushing mine out a little bit further than that because since my car's on bags, I need a little bit more clearance. But yeah, man, this is what we looking like. Wide bodies over here like it's nothing, man. We got a wide body like a whole farm. I mean, we got a wide body farm, man. We building it all. So there y'all have it, man. So this is what I've been up to, man. We've been low key building these wide bodies, man. We got multiple. And that's the man right there. Yeah. What up? Everything good?
What's up?
Yes, sir. So make sure y'all come through over here, man. Hit me up, man. If you're in the area, if you're in the Central Florida area, and you got a Charger, you want a wide body done, holler at me, man. I got you.